Okay, again, we are checking our values here. This is 320C, I believe, and we want to solve by factoring and using the zero product property. So we have to first move the 5 over. So we get 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. So then we want to factor it. So let's see if we can factor it. So we have 3x squared negative 5, and so this is negative 15x squared, and they're going to add up to negative 2x. So I've got 1 times 15, 3 times 5, and so these are my factors when I subtract these, and I know I need to subtract because of this negative here. This is going to be negative 5x and positive 3x. When you multiply them, that gives you negative 15x squared, and when you combine them, it gives you negative 2x. So this is negative 5x and 3x. So what does negative 5 and negative 5x have in common? Negative 5. 3x and 3x have 3x in common. This is x, and then when we look at this one here, we have 1. Alright, so my factors end up being 3x minus 5 times x plus 1 equals 0. And so then 3x minus 5 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. So 3x equals 5, x equals 5 divided by 3, and x equals negative 1. So now we want to check. So we get our calculator, and y equals, I'm going to clear that. So remember, you have to add the quadratic that we solved to one side, and then minus 2x, and then minus 5. And I need to fix this. I used a negative here. Whoopsie. I used a negative, and that's going to give me an error, so I'm going to delete that and put a minus sign. And then I guess I got to do it again. 2x minus 5. Alright, now graph. So I definitely can see that this is minus 1. I'm going to check this value to make sure. Second calc, I want to check the 0, hit enter. I'm going to move a little closer. Left of the 0, hit enter. Go right of the 0, hit enter, and then hit enter again to guess. And we've got 1.66, which checks. So these both my zeros check.